Are you facing discomfort due to phimosis or related issues? End the discomfort of phimosis. Experience precision, safety, and faster healing with the advanced stapler circumcision procedure. This revolutionary technique effectively treats 1. Tight foreskin. 2. Recurrent infections. 3. Inflammation and hygiene challenges. Here's how stapler circumcision works. 1. Consultation, personalized evaluation by Dr. Raghuvir Karni. 2. Anesthesia. Local anesthesia ensures a pain-free experience. 3. Stapler device. Specialized device precisely removes excess foreskin. 4. Healing. Minimal bleeding, stitches-free, and faster recovery. 5. Follow-up. Comprehensive post-procedure care. Why choose stapler circumcision? Quick and painless. Minimal discomfort during and after the procedure. Faster recovery. Heals quicker than traditional methods. High precision. Neat and accurate cutting with minimal bleeding. Lower risk of infection. Reduced chances of complications. Improved hygiene. Easier cleanliness and better health. Kamakhya Andro-Uro Care and Fertility Clinic, where precision meets care.